Hi guys, currently we are using 4G wireless technology. 4G is replaced by 5G. 5G is the fifth generation wireless technology. It adding three new things: wider channel that provide more speed and lower latency that give faster response time and more bandwidth, that ability to connect lot more device at once. Software-defined networking is the integral part of the 5G networking. 5G networking will bring major improvement in cloud computing world, so that 5G networking is zero latency, high response time, high bandwidth and smoother communication. Movie download in case of 3G wireless technology, it takes 26 hours. In case of 4G wireless technology, it takes 6 minutes. In case of 5G, it takes 3.6 seconds, like blinking of eye. In 5G technology, response time is more faster. In case of 4G wireless technology, response time is 45 to 50 milliseconds. In case of 5G, it takes 1 millisecond. Driving vehicle need continuous streaming. 5G network, faster connection between transport system. 5G network offer new application for development of autonomous system. 5G network is a better and safer. 5G impact every industry like precision agriculture, remote healthcare, digitized logistics, safer transportation, smart home and much more a reality. "5G use network slicing technology, that is separate wireless network in the cloud, that allow to user to create own bespoke network for faster response time, high speed download or upload or smoother communication. 5G will impact in online gamers. 5G removing virtual from VR and making a new level of gaming reality. For instance, online gamer need faster response time and greater data capacity than users just want to check their social media. Particular area using heavy application in 5G increase network slicing, boosting internet capacity, the smoother communication. Status and use of 5G in different countries. 4G globally use 50 to 60%, 5G use 10 to 20%, 3G use 20 to 30% and 2G use 1 to 5%. Due to high cost hurdles, 5G network setup in different countries slow process. If 5G network setup, it can impact the business of 4G, 3G, 2G network operator and get more loss. In FM radio, the frequency range is 30 MHz to 300 MHz. In case of 2G, 3G, 4G and Wi-Fi and TV communication, the frequency range is 300 MHz to 3 GHz. In case of 5G and satellite communication, the frequency range is 3 GHz to 30 GHz. The 5G starts from 3.4 GHz frequency. Its setup is much more costly than other networks. Government and operators and local companies like ZTE and Huawei already started 5G trial in different countries. 5G network expensive in West. Regarding progress of 5G network in Asia, experts predicted mobile connection by 2025 in USA 50%, Europe 32%, Japan 35%, China 25%. Status of 5G network in India. Around 26% of the mobile subscription in India by 2026 end would be 5G, as per Ericsson Mobility Report. This figure in absolute terms would stand at about 33 crore 5G subscription. Wireless network replace telephone lines and cables. It may not be happen overnight, but 5G is coming. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Use comment below the video for any future explain. And remember, don't forget subscribe my channel.